Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete the comments on Instagram. First of all, you can open the Instagram application. I can already open the Instagram app, and now you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it and you can reach this type of page. After reaching this type of page, you can select the post that you delete a comment. I can select this post, and if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now you can tap on comments at the bottom left corner of the post. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can select the comment that you want to delete it. I can select this comment. I can select first comment. Now you can hold on the first comment. After holding on the first comment, you can see this type of options. You can now tap on delete. After tapping on delete, the comment is deleted on Instagram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.